Just this weekend in the Financial Times, there was an announcement that the USGS has added another 10 materials to their critical materials list. So there's now 60 different materials classed as critical. And why are they critical? Because supply and demand are in balance. There aren't necessarily new sources of those materials. We're using more and more, particularly around green technology and the data centers for AI, green energy, all the rest of it. So lots of key materials are really under pressure. And we've seen what's happening with tariffs and with China deciding it wasn't going to export some of its critical materials. And that became a negotiating point. So I think more and more companies are starting to realize that supply chains can be massively disrupted if you haven't kept your eye on key materials and suddenly manufacturers can't afford to buy it because clothing companies have gone after it and it's a finite source. So companies are starting to realize that to have a future fit supply chain that's not going to be affected by massive disruptions, you're better off having control of your materials. And that means having control of your products and making those products last longer. Sort of having this conveyor belt of new materials and products that we pump out and we try and kill them off as quickly as possible isn't really a very well thought through long-term strategy, I would argue.